Sorting vowels and consonants. This program identifies vowels and consonants in an input string. It also displays vowels and consonants count and their total. The output shape prints the program heading. The declare shape creates string variable. The output shape prints user prompt for input. The input shape stores the input in str variable. The output shape moves the cursor to the next line. The declare shape declares integer variables. The assign shape sets vowel and consonant variables to 0. The for loop iterates through the length of input string. The assign shape converts each character into ASCII code. The code is stored in ASCII variable in each iteration. Char string integer is a built-in function. It returns a character in a string by its index number. To code character is a built-in function. It returns ASCII value of a character, a parameter. Condition 1 checks whether the code is within the range of alphabet's values, both capital and small ones. If the code is in that range, the true division is executed. Otherwise, the false division is executed. Condition 2 checks if the value is equal to ASCII values of A, E, I, O, U, both capital and small ones. If the code is in that range, the true division is executed. The assign shape increases vowel count by 1. The output shape prints the vowel by narration. Otherwise, the false division is executed. Here, the assign shape increases consonant count by 1. The output shape prints consonant by narration. The output shape after the for loop prints vowels count, consonants count, and their total.
GRP visual coding for all is helpful and useful to all types of students. Subscribe your channel for learning and improving your coding skills in any programming language very rapidly and easily. It provides coding on all practical problems, ranging from simple to advanced level. Flowgorithm means one flowchart to multiple textual code generation without typing and syntax experience. Join your hands with us by including your comments. Your comments enable us to make this channel the most useful. Don't forget to share this video link to all in your contacts to help them freely. This action extends your coding world.
మరిన్ని ప్రయోజనకరమైన వీడియోల కోసం మన ఈ ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఈ వీడియో ద్వారా మీరు క్రొత్త విషయాలను నేర్చుకుంటే మీ మిత్రులకు, బంధువులకు వీడియోను షేర్ చేయండి. మీ ఛానల్ను మరింత మెరుగుపరిచే సూచనలను, సలహాలను మరియు విమర్శలను కామెంట్స్ ద్వారా తెలియజేయండి.